Welcome to miniOrange. In this video, we are going to cover how to set up Microsoft Entra ID as your identity provider for Confluence using the miniOrange SAML SSO app. Start in Confluence. Go to the miniOrange SAML SSO app, open Configure, and select Add New IdP. From the Quick Setup options, choose Azure Active Directory as your identity provider. Now switch to your Entra ID portal. Go to the Manage Azure Active Directory and click on Enterprise Applications from the left menu, then click on New Application. Now click on Create Your Own Application. Enter a name for your application. From the given options, select Integrate any other application you don't find in the gallery and click on the Create button. Now select Set up Single Sign-On and select SAML as Single Sign-On method, then edit Basic SAML configuration. For the Entity ID, copy the SP Entity ID from the miniOrange SAML app and paste it in the given field. Now you can find reply URL as ACS URL in the plugin, copy it, and paste it in the application and click on Save. In the User Attributes and Claims tab, you can view or edit the claims sent in the SAML token. Click on Edit. Now go to the Name ID claim. Name ID is generally used as SSO User Identifier. It is recommended to send Confluence users usernames. For our environment, it is an email address. So we will select User Mail here. Click on Save. Now go back to SAML Base Sign-On tab and navigate to Users and Groups from the left menu. Click on Add Users or Groups. Under Users, click on Non-Selected, select the users, and click on Select. And now assign the users. User is assigned successfully. Back in Confluence, move to Service Provider Metadata. Select that you have the metadata URL for your IdP. Now go to the Entra ID. In the Single Sign-On tab, scroll down to SAML Signing Certificate Data. Copy the App Federation metadata URL and paste it into the miniOrange SAML app. Save the configuration. Now copy the test and get attribute URL. Paste it into your browser, and if everything is correct, you'll see that the test is successful. This confirms that your identity provider is now linked to your service provider. Finally, configure user profile and group settings in the miniOrange SAML app. This ensures that user details and group roles are mapped correctly inside Confluence. And now, you will be able to log into Confluence using Entra ID as your identity provider with the miniOrange SAML SSO app. Thanks for watching.